As far as paste goes, Renshaw produce a product called Pebble Paste. Alright, so Pebble Paste is basically a CMC or Tylose based product. So this product, as I said, doesn't dry quite as quickly as some pastes. So this one only comes in white, alright, comes 300 gram sticks. So when using this product, you just would take this out of the package and then obviously using like a Pro Gel. You're just going to color this with a Pro Gel or paste color of your choice, making it pale pink or red or whatever color you want it to. So this paste, generally, I would just use straight from the pack. Now, Renshaw also produce gum paste, alright, so we have this in the European English market and also for the US market. This is a flower modeling paste. This is made with gum tragacanth, which traditionally is what I used to use way back for making my scratch paste. But gum tragacanth typically dries out a little bit more quickly, so this paste will dry quicker than the pebble paste. So what I found works very well when I'm making a lot of my flowers, especially a flower like a rose where we need a little bit of working time and you're rolling the paste out thin. What I use is I use a combination of flower modeling paste or gum paste and then add some rolled fondant or sugar paste to this. So for example, when I make my pink roses here, this is made with pink flower modeling paste or gum paste. Remember, gum paste is the name we use in the US and in certain geographical areas of the world. Usually in the UK we call it pebble paste or flower modeling paste, and in Europe as well. So this is pink, pre-colored pink flower modeling paste or gum paste. So I'm actually using here this with some added rolled fondant. Now the formula I use is 85 grams of gum paste or flower modeling paste, and to that I add 15 grams, so I'm making 100 grams total of paste. So add in 15 grams of rolled fondant or sugar paste to your flower modeling paste or gum paste. What it means is going to extend the working time you have a little bit, so it's not going to dry quite as quickly. In this video, I'm going to actually take 85 grams of pink, and then to that I would add 15 grams of white rolled fondant or sugar paste. So what that means is going to make this color paler. The red rose that you've just seen, the red rose, actually this beautiful blood red color, I mean almost bordering on a blood red, slightly burgundy color. What I actually do there is I start off with Renshaw Red Gum Paste, which as you can see is a bright like poinsettia poppy red. And then to this, so what I do there is I take 85 grams of red gum paste or flower modeling paste, and to that I add actually 10 grams of purple and 5 grams of chocolate brown. So this sounds really weird, but when you add the purple and the chocolate brown to the red, what you'll actually do is you'll turn that red into this beautiful like blood red color. And that is perfect when you want like dark red roses for say Valentine's Day or for a wedding cake. And then with the yellow, of course the yellow, for the yellow rose there, I actually just used the yellow as is, and I added 15 grams of white fondant to this. But if I wanted this to be like the same color yellow, I could just add, for example, 15 grams of yellow rolled fondant or sugar paste to 85 grams of yellow gum paste or flower modeling paste. So really, as long as you use the 85 grams of paste, gum paste, flower modeling paste, to 15 grams of rolled fondant or sugar paste, you can use any combination of colors. But this also means using these formulas that I've developed, I can actually reproduce this color over and over again. So whenever I wanted to make, for example, for a wedding cake or Valentine's cake, I wanted to make red roses, this blood red color, I know exactly the formula to achieve that. So there's really no guessing of how much product you need.